In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to ClickFunnels. Whether you're expanding your team or just need a new collaborator for your workspace, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. First, you'll need to navigate to ClickFunnels and find the Workspaces section. This is your main hub where all the magic happens. Think of this as your control panel, where you can manage all your projects and customize settings as needed. Once you're there, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, direct your attention to the workspace settings. This is a crucial area because it's where you control who can access your workspace and what permissions they have. Click on Workspace Settings to open a menu with multiple options related to your workspace configuration. Once you've accessed the workspace settings, look for the Collaborators option. Clicking this will take you to the section where you can manage everyone who has access to your workspace. Here you'll see a list of current collaborators and the option to make changes or add new members. Now that you're in the right place, spot the Add New Collaborator button and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of inviting a new member to join your workspace as an admin. Adding a new collaborator can be a big step, especially if they're taking on essential roles, so make sure you're ready with their details. After that, you'll want to click on Select a Membership. This part is important because you'll choose the type of access they've got. Carefully consider the role you want them to play within the team, as it's essential for managing tasks effectively and keeping your projects on track. Once you've chosen the membership type, you'll see the option to plus Add New. This allows you to bring in a fresh collaborator into your workspace ecosystem. It's as simple as clicking a button to invite someone new to contribute to your projects. Next up is selecting Administrator. Click this to grant them the necessary permissions they need to have full access and control over the workspace. Remember, as an admin, they'll have the ability to make significant changes, so be sure this is the right role for them. Finally, you'll need to click on Highlight to finalize your choice and confirm their addition to the team. Take a moment to double-check everything before clicking, ensuring that all settings are correct and that the right person is being added as an administrator. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an admin team member to your ClickFunnels workspace. This empowers your new team member to manage tasks effectively, enabling your projects to thrive with the added support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.